6,493. However, even though S&P 500 just hit a new all-time high of 6,500, I did participate on a short side trade. So this is my short entry right here, where I took the short at 6,490, and I only shorted one contract, and I do have a $300 stop limit. So this is just an insurance policy to close out the trade if price does reverse back to the upside, breaking above 6,499. I'll then be hit with a $300 loss. On the other side of the trade, I have a profit potential sitting at 6,466 and 3/4 for 1,312 profit target. Both my stop and limit order are freeform, meaning I can adjust them higher or lower. And reason why I took a short is essentially profit taking. So I'm sure the S&P 500, all the traders were buying all of this up, and at this point, institutional investors are selling off, taking profits off the table. So this may lead to a pullback, at least to this area. And this is the second trade for today. So down here at the bottom left are details. So the first trade is the ES, and my entry is at 64.93. The trade is up $150. The trade I took earlier this morning was shorting the Mexican peso, and that trade is up $75. So those are the two positions I have for August 13th. This is the overall trading dashboard for Top Step X's $50,000 trading combine, where the ultimate goal is to generate $3,000 in profits. So right here, my balance is 49,600. So for the past few days, trades have been going against me as my stops are too tight. And now I just loosen it up or widen the stop a little bit. I came close to getting closed out right here on this candlestick when the high hit 6,497.50. And now hopefully price will continue trending lower. So that's the status of all things. For the purpose of time, I'll pause it here and I will update accordingly. So it's been a little over 30 minutes since entering the trade, and the S&P 500 is quoted at 6,480.5. Overall, the trade is now up a little over $600. As price has been trending lower, I did walk my stop in front of my entry. At least now I'm guaranteeing that this is a profitable trade, even though it's for $25. I also walked my limit order lower. It's now sitting at 64.65 for net profit or profit potential of $1,400. So it appears that price is stalling out. There appears to be a support level here at around 64.79. You can see that price is still just bouncing above it. Hopefully we'll see a spike through that and continuing the downtrend. So that's the status. Down here as well, we have the peso. The peso trade is now up $90. So I'm keeping an eye on the overall profit potential for both trades, as I cannot exceed 50% of my $3,000 target for this combine. So now hopefully we'll see a rejection here at 64.85. But again, I'm going to keep a close eye on this. So until something more significant does occur, I'll be back. So another update, the S&P 500 short is now up a little over $1,100 on its own. So we're $300 away from getting filled. Overall, right here at the top, between the S&P 500 short and Mexican peso short, both trades are up for a combined $1,200. At the same time, we can see here that price fell below this support level of 64. What was that? 64.79, and then when price fell below it, price tried to get back above it and was rejected. So what was once acting as support is now acting as resistance. And at the same time, it appears the current market structure is inside this descending channel. So hopefully this trend will continue. I'd like to see price get inside this red zone. That would most likely increase momentum to the downside. So going back to the Mexican peso trade, I have a limit order to close the trade out at $200. So we're almost there as well. Hopefully we'll see continuation heading into the afternoon session. So I'll pause it again. I believe the next update I'll try and record the closing of this position. So I'll give it another few minutes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. My alarm just got triggered. So price is trying to break above 64.79 resistance. Price has since broken out as well out of this descending channel and is trying multiple times to break back above 64.79. I've walked my stop order lower to 64.82 for a protection of $550. So if this order does get filled, it's unfortunate, but at least I was able to capitalize on this move after price or S&P 500 hit an all-time high. So on the DOM, here's my limit order sitting right here. So it's a few ticks away from getting closed out. So I might as well just stay on to see if that does happen. Hopefully not. And yeah, it looks like it's going to happen. We're only a few ticks away. Not that much further to go. So it's possible this could be a bullish entry now. So switching from bearish to bullish at this point, but I don't think I'll jump into a trade like that quickly. So maybe this is just a brief consolidation. And then we'll see another leg lower, possibly, question mark. Two or three ticks away from getting closed out.
Order filled.
There, $550 in the books. I was able to move out of the red right here in the realized P&L now to a profit of $286. My balance is back above 50,000, which is the goal for today. And right down here, the last trade I have sitting is that Mexican peso short. I'm looking to close it out at $200, so hopefully that gets filled, but I won't be able to capture that recording here. So that's it for now. Again, this was a short entry after S&P 500 hit an all-time high. So until the next trade setup, I'll see you.